If you want to take your presence on X, formerly Twitter, more seriously, switching to a professional account is a great move. A professional account gives you access to features designed for creators, brands, businesses, and anyone who wants a more polished profile on the platform. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to switch to a professional account on X.com or Twitter, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along in just a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open X.com or the Twitter app and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to upgrade. Once you're on the platform, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click your profile icon. This takes you to your profile page, where you can manage your account settings and personal information. Now, on the right side of your profile banner, you'll see the Edit Profile button. Click that button to open your profile editing window. This is where X lets you update your name, bio, profile photo, and other account details. Inside the Edit Profile window, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. At the bottom, you'll find the option that says Switch to Professional. Click that option to begin the process of converting your account from a personal profile into a professional one. Next, X will show you the professional account terms and policy. Read through the prompt and then click Agree and continue to accept the professional account policy. This step is required before your account can be switched over. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts. X may ask you to choose whether your account is best suited for a creator or business profile, and it may guide you through a few setup options depending on your account type. Take your time here and pick the options that fit your goals best. Once you finish the prompts, your account will be switched to professional mode. From there, you can explore the new tools and settings available to professional accounts and continue customizing your profile. So that's how you switch to a professional account on X.com or Twitter. It's quick, it's easy, and it can help you present your account in a more professional way. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.